Welcome back. If you're new, I'm riding across Palawan on my KLR 650. I didn't film my campsite yesterday. I was too exhausted. But this was home for the night. Time to pack up and get back on the road. Okay, let's start another day. Now leaving the coconut beach where I found the camp site for the night, and now it's a bit late departure because I wanted to get some breakfast but I couldn't find it, the one I was looking for, and now it's time to continue the trip. So now towards the Long Beach off-road. And then we'll see from there. Maybe we're gonna go to Taytay. A little off-roady section here towards the coconut beach. Then through Port Barton and then off-road again. It's a nice weather today, so should be fun. A little bit of Port Barton, building and building and building and expanding. Come on, driver. Up we go towards the off-road section. And now on the way to Long Beach. Should take maybe 20-30 minutes, hopefully, depending on the road conditions. And off-road we go. San Vicente airport on the right, and I'm in Barangay Poblacion, next to the one of the Long Beaches. I think it's time to grab some breakfast and continue further. I need to make up some distance today because I left quite early. Taking the highway, everything is like small roads and off-road, so it takes more time. Okay, time for some fuel. Okay, full tank of gas, and it's time to go further towards some small towns by the Long Beach, and then try to cross to Taytay, or close to it, because there is a road I've seen which I would like to take. It kind of loops around one peninsula, so I really want to check what kind of road it is and what it has to offer. So we'll see. Now need to push further up north. Today is quite windy. Looks like the storm, according to the forecast, is somewhere around the island. so windy today outside that it's kind of useless to use the drone, even though there are like so many nice places to film, sort of do like aerial shots. However, like in this kind of wind, you're simply draining your battery way quicker, and then it's kind of useless at some point, because like, you know, no more batteries, no power where to charge them if you camp. If you don't, of course, then you can, but you know, out of 30 minutes flight time you get maybe, I don't know, 12-15 minutes max, so it's kind of better to save the batteries for the better, less windy day, I guess. One of the weirdest roads in Palawan, probably, or in San Vicente. Basically almost consumed by the jungle, but leads somewhere still. Oh, that's the first time. I see somebody here. Oh yeah, but if I remembered right, there were like a few houses before. That's what you have to do when you have no camera crew. Steps per day. Yep. Jungle road. Exactly. So, have this kind of weird jungle road, which is very interesting. Next time, I'm gonna go till the end. Back to civilization. Straight from the jungle trail, or jungle road, whatever you want to call it. The dirt road finished. Back on the paved road. We'll see for how long. And back on the dirt road. You probably noticed already that that happens a lot. That's a nice pond. Very rare sighting. At least in Palawan. Kinda, even you can call it a lake, I guess. Very nice. Or maybe it's kind of more like a reservoir for water for the rice fields, but who knows how it works. Okay, my adventurous nature is calling me to go on this side road to the community, which is supposed to be at the end of it, and we'll see how it looks like. Gonna go through some rice fields, I guess. We'll see what it has to offer. Why not? Potentially more routes for the future tours, if that idea will come to life. There we go. The fun starts already. And not too bad. Okay, please hold on. Good bridge. Let's get it ready. Okay, see ya. Attraction to the whole town. Foreigners here. Okie dokie. Let's say bye to others. So on. See ya, guys. Have a good one. There we go. Yep. Let's go. Okay, visit complete. So yeah, seen it, done it. Nice little community, and time to go back on the road. Adventure appetite was satisfied, and yeah, let's go back towards Taytay. Now where to? Need to check map time. Okay. Hello.
You're a vlogger?
I do some videos. You want a sticker?
Yeah.
Sure. Wait. Need to get it up. There you go, boys. Picture. Hey. Okay. There you go. 2 for you. And 2 for the buddy. Wait. 1, 2. There you go, buddy. Take 2.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm going to scan this.
Yeah, you can scan this one, or you can scan the back, or you can scan this one. So it's up to you. All the QR codes. Or this or that.
I can follow you.
Sure, you can.
Bye bye.
Yeah, have a good day. See ya. So, curiosity and adventurous spirit won again. Decided to check another community, faraway community. Let's see what the road brings. Probably a bunch of rice fields, maybe mountain passings or something. This one, at least for now, the road looks good. And it should loop back to the highway, which is good. Hopefully no landslides or anything like that ruining the road. So yeah, come on donkey, let's see what this community and this road brings for us. Let's enjoy. Come on doggies, why are you always on the road? Are we here already? Maybe. That would be quick. School, 2 schools, people. Okay, where we are, the fishery. Nice cozy town, lumpia. Ooh, you want homemade lumpia as a snack? When kids figured out that I have stickers, crowds of them flocked in to get a sticker. Then, you know, a bunch of questions and all that kind of stuff. So, took some time, but I'm off. Let's loop back to the highway. Okay, people. What? Now let's see what the guy showed up. Come on, donkey, you're heavy. The sticker? Yeah. Yep. Just a second. Yep. There we go. Let me get you a sticker. There you go. Hello. You want to? Just a second, okay? Just a second. Okay. Okay, you were first. Here you go. And one for you, buddy.
Thank you.
There you go. One for you. Sure. And for you too.
One more.
One more. Here you go, sir.
Thank you.
One for you. You want one? There you go. One for you. Yeah. All good. One more. Okay. Yeah. Okay. See ya. Have a good one. Okay, guys. Have a good day. Stickers are very popular in this town. See ya, guys. Bye. Have a good day.
Thank you.
See ya, boys. Always. And off-road again. That's nice. For the change again. Yeah, stickers in this town, super popular. Hopefully it will pay off, because usually you give them away and not gaining followers and subscribers, but hopefully, or step by step. And this is the place, as the lady selling street food told me, that this is the place where they're getting the mussels from, the green mussels, which are sold then in the markets around the island, and looks like it's like a mussel farm and stuff. So not the one farm, but farms. Try to go further, or as far as we can today with the donkey, and find the campsite or a hotel or something like that. And back on the highway. It's nice. It's quite a big town. Takes time to pass. Still looking for a potential place to stay, but it doesn't look there are many. But we'll find something. If not, we'll find something either way. Let's see. That's quite old town. It has a fort even, and it would be interesting to visit it, so probably need to check that previously seen guest house and then walk around the fort. Well, it's still bright outside. That's where that Hollywood type Taytay sign is. I'm seeing it for the first time.